My name is Kranti Priya. I'm teaching today is MS Word Fundamentals, and this is very useful to the basics of computers. And uh, in MS Office, MS Office is nothing but is one of the basic computer we have to learn. In this learning in MS Office, in this we can write documents. Okay, documents, Word. In this, including features is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook. We are learning in this topic Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, and MS Office. This is a definition of MS Office, and when how much different languages are established in MS Office, and first released MS Office in uh, computers. Okay, and this is the definition of MS Office. MS Office is nothing but is a suitable of desktop provided. Okay, this is the one of the application for the business, and this is MS Office is released by a Microsoft Word company. Okay, and this is a ownership product of Software Corporation, and was first released in 1990. Okay, and the different types of languages are available in this Microsoft Office. Okay, and next we are learning features in MS Office is MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, Outlooks. These are the features. Okay, in MS Word we are discussing about the documents. Documents nothing but we have to write the letters. We can type a documents. We can type a notes. This is the types of in MS Word. Okay, and next is a MS Excel. In this we have a sheets type of sheets. MS Excel is a useful for the business use. Okay, and next is a MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is also using for the business Word, because we are giving a different presentations to the business. That's why we are using a presentations. Okay, this is the useful of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, and next we are discussing about the MS Software Word. Okay, this is a definition of MS Software. Word is a processing software that allows you to create and edit the text in document. In MS Word, we can text the document, and we can edit with the different tools of the MS Word. Okay, and in Word we are create different documents like a letter, mails, reports, emails, like that. Okay, this is the MS Word. And next, this is a MS Software history. Okay, and the first version of MS Software was developed in 1981. Okay, this is the developed of a scientist names, and Microsoft Word first released in 1983, and the first version of MS Office Word based on the framework of Pro. Okay, and this is the history of Microsoft Word. And next we are learning about MS Word steps, how to open a MS Word, how to start a MS Word. Okay, and we can click the start button in a computer. Then we have to go to all programs option in menu, and next we have to go to MS Office form. In that we have to clicking the MS Word document will be approached for you. Okay, and next this is the document. After we are opening a MS Word option, you will see like this MS Word. Okay, these all are tools of MS Word. This is a document. And this is a toolbar. This is we can see here, and this is a ribbon toolbar, and a quick toolbars, and files tab sector, vertical rules, and horizontal rules, and help button, window control, and vertical bar, zoom tools, toolbar, text area, document area, and this is the document of area. Okay, you can see here. This is all the document area MS Word. And next we are going to learn different parts of MS Word. Okay, this is a file tab. File tab is nothing but replacing the Office button from Word 2017. Okay, File tab replaced in a 2017 in MS Word. Okay, and next we need to open a Save button, create a new document, printing the documents, and you can see any files in our completed files, and new document are printing. These all are in a File tab. Okay, you can see a document when opening MS Office. You can see the File tab. Okay, and Quick Access toolbar. This is the, you will find it just above the File tab. Okay, this is the resting place of the most frequently used command in the Word. Okay, this is the frequently used toolbar. Okay, and ribbon, this is a ribbon picture you can see here in MS Word. This is a file, home, insert, page out, refresh, merges, review, view. These all are ribbons, ribbon tab. Okay, and this in ribbon commands, in the three components are there. In that ribbons is tabs, groups, commands. These are the three types of commands in ribbon. Okay, tabs, you can see tabs. In this we have, this is the tab. Okay, in this we can see home, insert, page layout. These all are the tabs. Okay, and groups, groups also for the example of group commands related the font or group of commands. In command, in group we can see here, you can see here font. One is a font, and next is a alignment. This is the alignment. These two are belongs to a group. Okay, and next is command. Command approach within each group has a maintained above. These all are the commands. Okay, next we are going to toolbar. We can see here, this is the toolbar. I think you are visible to this. This is the toolbar, and we are learning about that. This toolbar, this is a line in the middle and the top of the window. Toolbar shows the program and document title. Okay, you can see the oh, yeah, this is the toolbar. In Microsoft Word we have a outputs line that in that we call as toolbar. This is line is the middle and the top of the window. Toolbar shows the programs and document title. Okay, we have to give a one document. We will write a document one. We have to give a one name to that. That is that name approach in a toolbar. Okay, these are rules. Rules we can see here in this picture. Rules, windows, files, toolbars. These all we are learning here. Okay, and rules. Word have a two rules. Okay, horizontal and vertical. Two rules are we have. We can observe in our picture, MS Word document picture. The horizontal rule approach just the ribbon and in use to set magic and top stops. Okay, this is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal rule. You can see here vertical, and this is a horizontal. Okay, next help icon. We can see help icon in our picture. We can use for the help option. Okay, anything you like this provide one second. We can see in this picture help icon, will help button. This is a help button. Okay, and next is a zoom control. We can see here in this picture, this is a zoom control. We can see here, this is a help of the document. We can see zoom out, zoom in. Okay, this is the option for the zoom out and zoom in the document. And then this is a view button, and we can see here, one second. In file we can see a view button. This is a group of 5 buttons located in the left for the zoom control. Near the bottom of the screen, left you can switch the word various document view. Okay. Next is a print layout view. This is a display page external. They will be approached when printed. When we have to complete the document, written document, you can print out the document. You can see layout view, because in that we can find out our mistakes, anything are there, we can see there and we can print out. Okay, this is a useful for the printout layout. And next, full screen reading view. This is a giving a full screen view of the document. Okay, we can see in our we can see our picture. This is a zoom button. This is a wave button. We can see here. These all are the options. Okay. And next, web layout view. This is a show how the document approaches when view the web browser. Okay. In internet, we can search anything. We can see the layout. Okay. Outline view. This is the let you work with outline and establish using words standard heading styles. Okay, you can use for the heading styles. Okay, and draft view. This is a format test has an approach on a print page view. For the example, head and footer are the shown. Most people perfect this mode. Okay, head and footer for the editing. For this you can see the view. And next, document area. This is the most important for Microsoft Word. And document area, we can write a different documents like a letter, and we can write information about our lessons, and we can copy something else. We can write in a document area. We can start in that. Okay, this is the area where you type. Okay, this is flash vertical bar is called has the insert point and is a represents the location where text will be approached when you text. Okay, when where you are typing in the that is the document area. Okay, and next we are going to status bar. This is displays the document information as well as the insert point and location from left to right. This bar continues the total number of pages and words in a document and language, etc. Okay, this is the status bar. We can see in this the left and right, and this is continues the total number of pages and words in the documents. And we are writing the document, we can how many letters are approaching there. We can see the number of pages, words in a document, and the languages also. And dialog box launcher. This is a dialog box launcher. In ribbon we have to see a dialog box. In that box will be approached at the ribbon. As you can see in the last picture, in that ribbon option is there now. In there we have to find out a dialog box. And next we are talking about the file tab. This is a picture of a file tab. We can see here how many options are there in file tab. Okay, when you are clicking to the completed the document, when you are completed the document, you can save the document, save as, open, close, new, print, save, and save. This is the options. And when you're completing the document, you can save here. Save option will be in the toolbar. Okay, save and save as, open, close, recent file will be approached here. Okay, this is the place of recent files what you open. And the new documents, when you are writing document that is a mistake or anything else, you can take another document that is a new document. You can click here, you will find out a new document. Okay, and this is the print option. Print, when you are completing the document, you have a, if you want a one printout, you can click, you want to click here, then you will get a print options. Okay, you can select there and save and send. You can you have a mail or Gmail. For that you have to send a document. Okay, save or send the document, you can send. Okay, this is the help option. This is a file toolbar help option. You can click this. When you are clicking this, you can find out a help about MS Word. Okay, this is the file tab options you can see here. And next and we learn about the file toolbars. This is a full explanation about the file tab. Okay, this is a save how to save the document, how to open the document, save, open, close, information, resend, new. This is the clear information about this file tab. Okay, save. When completing one document, we have to save one place with the name of the document. Okay, you can go to the file tab, you can see save option. Okay, you can save and create a one name to the document, you can save it. Okay, and next save as. This is also a save option only, same. This is a in Word. We are approached at 2010 and format, and you can see here. This is also dialog box will be displayed also for the document name and document type. Okay, you can see the two options in a save as, that is a document name and in that document type. Okay, we have document type means PDF. These all are approach in a document type. Okay, and next opening. This option used for opening existing. We have completed some documents and we have saved in our folder. We have to open the documents. We have to go to file tab and then we have to open. We have to give the name. Then the document will be open. Okay. Next to closing. This option will be used for close and open the document. Okay. We have completed one document. We have to create one document. We have some after we have to do certain time. Okay. You can close. This is the option for the closing document. Okay, and info. This is option display information about the open document. Info, you can see the option in a MS document also. Info, this is the option display information about the opening document. Okay, and resend. Now we are opening 3 or 4 documents. In file tab, we have to see a recently documents in right side. Okay, that's the recent option. This is the option list down all the recent open documents. Okay, and new. This option is used for the opening a new document. I said new document. What is we want new document? We have to write a one letter or anything else. We have to open some new document too. We have to click a new. Okay, in file tab. Next is printout. This option is used to print an open document. Okay, we have to open document. We can check our mistakes and then print out. Also, we have a sum of options. We have to select that. Then we have to give a printout. This is open for the printout. Okay, and save and save. I said how we want to send a document in a mail or mail ID, Gmail ID. We have to send our documents. We have completed the document. We have to send to another mail ID, our friend or anything else. We have to save and send. We can use a save and send option here. Okay, and help. This option is used to get a required help about Word 2010. Okay, and options. We can also see here. This is the option. This is the option. We can see here. This is a brief explanation. This is a option is used for the set violation option related to Word 2010. Okay, options means new options. what in MS Word we can see here options of options. Yeah, we have learned as MS MS Word and MS Excel, MS fundamentals. And in this, we learned about a MS Office, MS how to open MS Word in a steps, and history of MS Word. And next, this is a toolbar. We learn and how many toolbars are there in MS Word. We learn, and this is a session about MS fundamentals. And we can close the class today.